is a high ticket coaching offer. So for me, it must include live lessons, right? Either live or automated that deliver 80% of the core information. What's a great example of this? RDCP. 80% of your transformation is going to come from the curriculum, right? And then scenarios like this is where the coaching and support that delivers the 20% of the program is super important, because that's where the most value is based on what you're learning in the program, in the curriculum. Right? So the coaching and support is delivered via live sessions, live streams, Q&A, Facebook groups, email support, whatever, right? And it's in this support that gives them that premium value and allows for a higher ticket price, right? Other people might refer to this type of thing as a mastermind group coaching model. I call it the scalable impact model, right? What it is, it's leverage. It's leverage so that I don't have to give up my time working with every one of you one-on-one, and you guys don't have to give up more money to work with me one-on-one. It's leverage. So what you want to see this offer as, it's viewed as the central hub of your business, where your best knowledge lives and from where everything else is created. Like I said earlier, my done-for-you clients get access to the group coaching and the curriculum, because it's literally the core of our entire business. It's my productized knowledge on our done-for-you one-on-one end result.